Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read go or go in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means noon. It has 4 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like go. A marker planted at the high point of the day, midday noon. Now let's write it. 4 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Gozen, gozen means morning, AM. Gogo, gogo means afternoon, PM. And shougo, shougo means noon. A quick tip, so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Ushi, read ushi, cow. Nen, read toshi, year. Notice the small differences. So that's go, noon. 4 strokes, read go or go. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.